Yummy? What are you eating, Thea? Show me. Show me.
Chewy rice cake.
Chewy rice. Stick. On the stick.
Hana!
Ang sariling atin, Filipino food.
What's this?
That's sapin-sapin. This is sapin-sapin. Oh. And that is the tarioka. Hopya. Ito yung ginagoongan and pares, beef pares. This is... Gusto mo ng arroz caldo? Arroz caldo. Or rice, chicken rice porridge. Because it's cold. Oh. Oh. From sariling atin. Kuha ka. You eat. Yun lang. Yun lang.